Namaste, I am Lokesh Gaud from Team Mathrubhumi Organics. So today we are in front of you to explain what is Jeevamrit. Jeevamrit, it's a microbial fermented liquid which is used in organic agriculture and mainly in agriculture. It's very important and very basic step for agriculture because Jeevamrit, it is a liquid which provides nutrients to each and every crop. So it's organic and natural liquid which gives nutrients to crops and which gives good yields and provides very good production and yields to each and every crop. So what are the ingredients to make Jeevamrit? So 5 kg of cow dung, 5 liters of cow urine, handful of soil, 2 kg of jaggery and 2 kg of any pulse flour. So these are the ingredients to make Jeevamrit. So what we need to do with these ingredients? So we need to mix the ingredients in a 200 liters barrel which is contained 180 liters of water. So first we need to mix 5 kg of cow dung to 5 liters of cow urine, and we need to mix the pulse flour and jaggery to the water, and this cow urine and cow dung solution also we need to mix in the barrel. So now I'll explain how to make Jeevamrit here. So you can see this is 5 kg of desi cow dung and 5 liters of desi cow urine. You can see 5 liters of desi cow urine here, and 2 kg of pulse flour, 2 kg of jaggery and handful of soil. So we spoke about this in our first video, why these ingredients, and only these two were added new, because if we didn't added this it will become Bijamrit, and if we add this it will become Jeevamrit. So why cow dung, cow urine and handful of soil, jaggery and pulse flour? Here pulse flour and jaggery acts as a food and source for the anaerobic and aerobic bacteria which present in the microbial culture. So when we fermented this Jeevamrit for 2 to 3 days, it will take 48 to 72 hours to prepare this Jeevamrit. So in this time the aerobic and anaerobic bacteria takes this jaggery and pulse flour as food and increases the count of the microbial bacteria in the culture and in the solution. So this dung and cow urine is very good for containing so many native microorganisms, and this handful of soil increases the native species of microorganisms in the fermented liquid and as well as soil when we applied this solution to the soil. So first we need to take this 2 kg of jaggery, and you can see this is 2 kg of jaggery, and this is 5 kg of cow dung. So we need to mix 5 kg of cow dung. So we need to mix 5 kg of cow dung. And take this 5 liter solution. This is cow urine, you can see. Take this 5 liter, and we need 180 liters of water. So pour this 5 liters cow urine in 1 liters of water, 80 liters of water. So then we need to add this 2 kg of jaggery. And then we need to add a handful of soil. And then we need to add 2 kg of pulse flour. and then we need to add finally the 5 kg of cow dung in the solution. So now you can see here we prepared Jeevamrit here. So the effective Jeevamrit is ready. So after 48 to 72 hours between this time, the Jeevamrit is ready, and we can use it till 3rd to 10th day. So the effectiveness of Jeevamrit is high as on 10th day compared to all other days. So this is the Jeevamrit we prepared. Now the Jeevamrit is ready. So we need to stir it thrice a day, morning, afternoon and evening. So we need to rotate it in we need to stir and rotate it in clockwise direction only, because if you do it in anti-clockwise direction, the bacteria, anaerobic or aerobic bacteria which is present is in this solution, that bacteria will die. So please stir it thrice a day in clockwise manner only. So it will increases the count of microorganisms in the solution, and it is very effective for the crop. So this is the effective Jeevamrit, and it is ready to use after 3 days, and we can serve this for 1 acre of land. So after stirring this solution 3 times per day, keep gunny bag or any bag on the this barrel to cover this solution to prevent from direct sunlight and to prevent from heavy rains, etc. And keep this solution in the shade for till 48 to 72 hours. So make this solution in the shade place. And we can use this 200 liters Jeevamrit for 1 acre of land. So this 200 liters of Jeevamrit is useful for 1 acre of land to any crop, and we can supply this twice in a month to each and every crop per 15 days once. So the Jeevamrit is ready, and we can use it like this. So how to apply Jeevamrit? Jeevamrit we need to apply for the each and every crop per twice in a month. We need to do as foliar spray for 10%, or we can add, or we can give to the crop by the flowing of water, or we can give by the spray, or these 2 to 3 methods. Uses of Jeevamrit. So Jeevamrit is used as a natural fertilizer, and also it is used as a pesticide and as a fungicide. It not only gives nutrients to the plants, and it kills the fungal and bacteria and all the diseases, all pathogens which attacks the plants in each and every stage. So Jeevamrit acts as a multiple, and it plays multiple roles in each and every crop. So please prefer for natural and organic fertilizers and pesticides and fungicides, etc. So don't give preference to the chemical ones, and this is very effective one, but it only consumes our time, some time, and it is very good and very effective. So please use this. Jeevamrit is very good, and it is useful as a fertilizer and a pesticide and a fungicide, and it's all in one, and it's a multiple, and it do multiple work. So please prefer for Jeevamrit. To join Mathrubhumi, save Mathrubhumi. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Annadata, Sukhi Bhava.